Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 Nautique Super Air GS24. This boat is gorgeous. It's white in color, no additional color on the exterior. We got two JL Audio tower speakers up top. We have two nice chairs. Great spot to be able to get your boards on. And a radio control here at the back. Through the center, this one has a filler cushion where the center walkthrough is. This boat is a great interior color. It's got wraparound seating, lots of cup holders, interior lights, spots to put your cell phones, spots to charge your cell phones. Here at the helm, we have the Link 12.4 touchscreen. It's an absolutely great system to use. Again, lots of JL Audio speakers, heat vent that pulls out. Here in the glove box, it's a water-locked sealed area for you to put your phones. Lots of phone port chargers, JL Audio head unit. Just a nice area to put all your valuable belongings. Here in the bow, nice big area for people to sit. Again, more cup holders, more speakers. This is a great boat. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come out today, check out this boat or one of our other boats in stock.